He said the market makers got you, Boyski. Are we good on TikTok, or do I need to shut it off? So I think we're back live on YouTube. I think we're good over there. All right, let's continue. I'm gonna pretend like it's good, and then if it's not, then it's not. We'll see. Cool. All right, let's get back into the charts here. We were on fetch.ai. So yeah, I said that we're kind of in a bearish posture. Downside targets wouldn't be weird to sort of double bottom here at the automatic rally at 17 cents. Jacob says hi. What up, bro? Jacob. Upside, you're looking at touching this 200 moving average on fetch.ai at 30 cents. We already hit the automatic rally at the 0.5 here. So the maximum retracement would be 85 cents. Parabolic for fetch is $4.20. $4.20. I'm not sure what just happened with my why my computer like did that, but your thoughts on Teo? I got you, bro. So it's about to be the market open. Let's pop over to Bitcoin real quick. Let's go on the 30-minute. Yeah, let's go on the 30-minute. So, just the market has opened. Bitcoin is up 0.5%. Bob is down 15%. Hex is down 3.6% on the open. NXRA down 2%. I might scoop up some more NXRA. Shiba is up 4%. HBAR is up 4% as well. Let's look at the All right, cool. Let's Nasdaq is up 30% or 0.1% on the open. Same thing for the S&P 500. Nothing too crazy. Apple's up. Gold is up. Everything is up. Except for Curve. Curve had that. I went over in the other video that got crashed out. There was an exploitation on Curve. Yet again, this isn't even the first one. So, yeah, I don't, I'm out on Curve. Like, Curve is done for me. You're dead to me. All right, let's get into some of your guys' coins. I think my computer needs a proper restart, to be honest. All right, Teo. Oh, Teo, big breakdown. Big breakdown. It's on the 30-minute too. Down 10% over the last hour. Let's go to the daily here. Okay, that makes sense. So Teo, big breakdown, but this was just like getting to the 702. and getting rejected hard off of the 702. That's what we're seeing here. Now, 0.5 is where you would like to see it find support here at about $67. If it doesn't, the next level would be the $59, and then there's a good bit of support at the 236 here at $47. You would like to see it find support here at the 0.5. Parabolic targets, I mean, this is already a full-on retracement. So parabolic targets, you're looking at $300. Now, this thing hasn't really had a proper bull run. It says, good morning, Cotty. I got you, bro. This hasn't had a proper bull run. So, all right, let's look at Cotty. How are we on TikTok? Did I lose TikTok? Do I need to reopen it? It says, thanks, man. No problem. Can you guys hear the music on YouTube? Yes. Is it too loud? All right. Automatic rally for Cotty. You're looking at 10 cents retracement. You're looking at 34 cents. Maximum retracement is 47 cents. Parabolic level is $2.20. Not too loud. ETH. All right. Let's look at ETH. So yeah, ETH has just been marching along. Very much sideways and grueling to the upside. I went over it in my other video. It kind of got, my other live stream just got nixed. I don't know what happened, but these things happen. But tomorrow is the full moon. You know, the full moon is typically the most bearish time. So we're in that window now. I've been previously looking for opportunities to accumulate certain cryptos. Yesterday, I put out 68 cents. I went long on XRP. That was sort of my price target. It got triggered, and that is already up. Right now, XRP is up 71%, or to 71 cents, excuse me. So yeah, I will be in this window of energy for the next couple of days, and then we're going to start rotating into the new moon, where I'll be looking to take some profit on some things. Ultimately, I just accumulate every single week, and then at certain prices and times, I'm looking to accumulate more heavily and go even more long. But Ethereum, downside targets, it wouldn't be weird for us in the next couple of days to sort of back test this 200 moving average, which has been support ever since back here in March. And really, the duration of Ethereum, the 200, has been very much respected. Outside of this crash right here, out of Ethereum's whole existence, there's only been, 1 year out of its existence has it been below the 200 moving average. So I anticipate us to stay on top of this for a good little while. It wouldn't be weird for us to back test it though at about 1800 in the next couple of days. If we don't back test it, I look for the next move to the upside. And the way that Ethereum's been moving, no huge sexy moves, just kind of one of these numbers, it's just kind of nothing sexy, but profit is profit. So that's what I anticipate. Basically, we have a couple more days of this bearish energy before we're going to flip into the bull energy. Retracement, and I think that this is going to happen when Bitcoin goes to 40 to 48K. Ethereum is going to get somewhere between 2,800 and 3,600, somewhere in between there. That's where I'll be taking profit on Ethereum at first. 2025, the bull run, Ethereum could get as high as 15K. So that's sort of what I'm seeing for that. Casper or Flux, which one is good for now? I don't know anything about Casper. It seems to be the one that's winning. It seems to be the one that's winning on the mining stuff. It's like one of the most profitable for mining, but I don't know anything about it fundamentally. I know that Flux has real deal development that's going on, so I would pick Flux of those two. I also like Ergo. I also like Ergo. All right, XTC, Matic, Arbitrum, Casp, ILV. Yeah, I think we lost TikTok, but that's okay. I don't know what's going on with my computer here. All my stuff just crashed. So XTC had a clean breakout, and then we were getting rejected off of the 236 here. But we're finding support on the 8 moving average. Now, if we go below this, we're going to back test cleanly back to the automatic rally, which would be about 4.4 cents. So we would back test cleanly to 4.4 cents if this doesn't hold true here. Now, if it does, what we would want it to see for XTC is to hold just sideways for the next couple of days. And we can even dip a little bit below it, but as long as we're just hanging out on top of this 8 moving average right here, we can hang out for a couple of days until we get back into the bullish time frame of the energy, which is the next like week or so. About another week, maybe call it 10 days, we're going to start getting into the bullish energy again, and that would be another leg to the upside is what you'd be looking for short-term or medium-term target. It's 8.5 cents for XTC. Now, max retracement is 12 cents, maximum retracement is 14 cents for XTC. Parabolic level, you're looking at 65 cents for XTC. So XTC looks good. Matic, I picked up some Matic yesterday. I put that out on my private Discord yesterday that I bought some Matic. Matic was one of the strongest performers during the bull market along with Quant. So we came to the retracement, got rejected, came back down to the automatic rally, and now we're just hanging out near the 236, which is where I anticipate us to get to in the next. I mean, there's a huge level at the 236, so upside targets, that's about what you're looking at, which is about the 200. We're below the 200 right now, so we could be hanging out below there for a little while until we get above it. All these three are very much consolidated up. On the RSI, we're kind of medium. Sarcastic RSI is way on the low. Yeah, downside, you're looking at 65 cents. If we get that, like, I'll definitely be buying some more Matic. Upside, you're looking at the 90-cent range just in the medium term. Now, maximum retracement for Matic is $2.11, and the parabolic level is $9.65. All right, Arbitrum. This is another layer 2. which there's a ton of layer 2s. Arbitrum hasn't had a proper bull run, but what we've had here is a clean, breakout, back test, retracement, and then we're kind of consolidating down here to the 236 again, which would be at about $1.11 to the downside. The next price target would be the 618 to the upside, $1.42. Now, we haven't had a proper bull run, so it could go a lot higher. But just based off of this Fibonacci, you're looking at about $4 parabolic price target. But it could go way higher than that, honestly. Those newer coins are, you got to take it with a grain of salt. All right, next is CAS and then ILV. Kaspa all day. Tell me about Kaspa. Should I be looking into Kaspa? Phil Nye, the crypto guy. What a name. What do you think about on Xcoin? I don't have any thoughts, but I can look at the chart. Phil Nye, the crypto guy. Phil. Yeah, Kaspa is about to have a double top here. It hasn't had a proper bull run, so the same thing, like, you can only just go off of the Fibonacci's. And basically, if it goes to a parabolic, and then crashes back down, you would pull a new fib to give you another price targets. But if we get above the all-time high of 4.3 cents, we're gonna minimum get to the 1618 at 6 cents. Parabolic would be 11 cents. 13 cents would be like the crazy parabolic. But yeah, this thing hasn't had a proper bull run, so that's about the best that we can do right now. If we get rejected here, we'll probably come back down to the 618, which would be about 3.1 cents for Kaspa. Says CAS is not even listed on any major exchanges. We moonin', baby. Yeah, it says it's up 1.5% on the day. So, you love to see it, bro. Alright, let's look at on Xcoin. On YX. What does it do? Like, what are the development doing? Ooh, this one is not looking breedable and submissive. Yeah, this isn't great looking chart here. Down 98%. I don't know. I don't know anything about the inflation of this coin. I guess we could look at a different chart. Let's look at some different charts, see if we've had. All right, so what you would want to look at is you know, what's the development going on with these type of coins? Oops. What is the inflation? Like, realistically, we would want to be looking at the we'd be wanting to look at the market cap. If I can find one. And that would tell you the story. But I don't see one for the market cap. The way that this thing has crashed, it leads me to believe that there's some sort of inflation or something like that. Now, we already hit the automatic rally. All of the moving averages are getting coiled up here, which is good. On the RSI, we're still in the bearish time. Same thing with Sarcastic. We're about to get across the upside on the Sarcastic, though. So this thing, if it's going to get moving, it's going to do it soon, and it needs to do it soon. The next target would be probably a rejection off the 200. Off the 200 moving average right here. At 004.8. I would consider taking some profit there. Now, if we get above, body closes above 1.7 cents, that would be a, you know, a structural change, and that would be good. You'd be looking to get to the 236 at 4.4. Maximum retracement would be 9 cents, and then, you know, parabolic would be 29 cents. Now, I'd be looking to get out at the 236 at 4 and also at 9. It says, good morning. Can you review JAM, LFG, CWS? Thank you. Yeah, we'll look at them. Good morning. All right. JAM. This one looks very similar to XCN. Let me look for different ones. So we got a little bit more life. This hasn't had a proper bull run, as this was launched on here in February. We're pretty much at the automatic rally now. We already touched the automatic rally at 00085. Retracement, you're looking at 002. Max retracement is 0029. Parabolic level is 1.2. This hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go higher. LFG. Can't do the LFG, but I'll look at CWS. So we poked above the 200 moving average here. We had a brief cross, the 8 crossing the 21 and the 55, but then it got rejected, as we got rejected off the 200 moving here, and now we're having to cross back to the downside yet again. Let me fix my camera. Now we're having a cross to the downside again. The yellow has crossed both the green and the blue. The 8 has crossed the 55 and the 21 to the downside. Not too great. Also, the RSI has crossed the downside, and the stochastic RSI still kind of in an uptrend. So you would want this to hold 20 cents. Like, that's a pretty hard, like, that needs to hold. If it does, upside targets would be back to the 200 here at 35 cents. Automatic rally, $1.16. Retracement, $4.40. Maximum retracement, $9. And if she wants to go parabolic, $48. $48 hairs. All right, we'll do ILV. And then that's gonna be it. Same story for ILV. Automatic rally, $1, 129. Retracement, 777. Parabolic, 3,900. All right, guys. If you guys want to learn how to trade, you can become a level 2 Patreon, or not level 2, level 2 YouTube member, or you can join the Patreon. You get access to my private Discord, which I put out buy, call, sell alerts, books. I have trading videos, how-tos, all that stuff on there. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll be back live for market close around 4 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to make some videos in the meantime. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me for more. Yes, savages. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling.